Hey, what's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Rite-Way Detailing's YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm Christian, owner of Rite-Way Detailing in Rancho Cucamonga, California. So we got this 2017 Ram 3500, really beautiful truck. We got a ton of work going down. We removed the Bighorn emblem, the regular Dodge Ram emblem, and then the 4x4. So all that is removed. We got to remove the adhesive, and then we got to wash the vehicle all down, clay the tailgate. We removed the step off the brackets and everything. We got to clean all this. So we're actually going to be doing a ton of work to this truck and also his car hauler trailer over there. We're going to be actually doing a two-tone color change and follow this body line. So we're going to run it right here, wrap everything around. So we took all the trim and mud flaps, everything all off the vehicle. So we're going to do a two-tone, kind of like he has a Ram 1500, I believe, Laramie edition. There's a bunch of names on the truck of all the stuff that has been added to it. It's a really beautiful truck. It's the one that they have either a white or a black, and it has either a champagne two-tone, so on the flares and everything. So we're actually going to mimic that with a Avery gloss carmine red all the way down. We're going to be doing a lot of tucking and everything. We actually have to do an inlay inside the door jamb, so this is going to really test our skills, but I think it's going to come out beautiful. So just showing the before results. So make sure you stay tuned throughout the whole video so you can see everything that goes down on this truck. And we're also doing a "Don't Tread on Me" flag, so that'll be a little hint to stay tuned for. We're going to be doing a "Don't Tread on Me" wrap back here, and then replacing the Bighorn and the 4x4. So we made some templates for it. So this has come out really sick. So we just gotta work with a couple things. I guess the dealer stripped out a couple nuts on the other side, so we're working with that right now. Might have to go get another piece of hardware and cut the bolt off. So just working with what we got, and then we got to replace a couple clips that were all stripped out before we even touched them. So this thing's gonna look absolutely sick. It's definitely gonna change the whole look of the truck. And then you can see he's got tons of gas pumps and everything. So we're gonna do a couple little special things for him. And this thing's going to be traveling around everywhere picking up gas pumps, and I'm really excited to see how this is going to come out. So it's going to be a two-tone line of Avery gloss carmine red. So stay tuned. We're going to jump into it right now to a bunch of other clips of us installing the vinyl, doing all the prep work, and then we'll show you guys the final results on this truck. And then we might have to come back tomorrow to finish up the trailer. It's going to be a really big job. We're doing the two-tone as well and some pinstriping. So let's get right into it. So we got the "Don't Tread on Me" flag all set up, and then we're going to start peeling the backing paper off about halfway and start squeegeeing it all in. It's looking really good. So we got everything all marked and all symmetrical, and we're going to start laying it down. Okay, apologize for the wind noise in advance, but we got the tailgate all wrapped with the "Don't Tread on Me" flag. Came out really nice. Took some finessing with the deep contour that this tailgate has as it goes down, and then where the emblem was, but it came out really good. And it's all laminated, so this was pretty pricey to have all printed, but it's definitely worth it. And then the customer actually wanted it on this body line right here, so we weren't actually going to wrap all the way up, remove the you know, the top of the tailgate trim or the tailgate handle and all that junk like that, because you gotta undo the harness, you take the back of the tailgate all apart. So it just wasn't something the customer wanted to do, so we ended up just wrapping it to where you see now. So but I think it came out really nice, and we might even just leave the emblems off. It looks a lot cleaner without them on there. When they were on, we just set them up there. It didn't really look that good unless they're replaced with like the gloss black replacement ones. But those are the results on the tailgate wrap. So now we're getting ready to do the two-tone color change on this body line you see there. So we're going to do that in that Avery gloss carmine red. So we got all the pieces all cut out, laid out on the table. We do have the emblems all set up just in case. So we're going to wait until the customer gets back to see if he actually wants to put them back on there, because I don't really think they look that good. They don't look clean with the flag. It just doesn't mix very well. But we're going to hit that body line with the Avery gloss carmine red. We're going to be tucking way deep in between the bed and then doing an inlay on the door. So definitely a challenging thing to get done with all the contours and doing inlays and things like that. I mean, because we're not a full-blown wrap company, but we're definitely getting into all the vehicle customization. So we're you know, just bringing out new solutions for our customers. That way, you know, we want to make their vehicle look better than everyone else's on the road and look different. So just showing you guys the body line. So we got the magnets all set up. I'm going to start actually wrapping the front door and then the piece of the front fender. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, everyone, here are some results. So we're actually mimicking, I'll show on the other side. The other side is already finished and then the back quarter panel, but we're mimicking a two-tone paint job like I mentioned. And we're also doing something different that most people don't do, is actually wrapping all the way down to the pinch line of the body line. So I'm working it actually right now. There's some rubber plugs and the little dimples for the spot welds, but we're actually running that stripe all the way down correctly, you know, so the customer or anyone can't see any white. So it looks like it was actually painted. So that's what we're mimicking, is that paint job, that two-tone paint job that Dodge does on a couple of their higher end vehicles. So, you know, we got to do some trimming and then a tuck and then do an inlay. But let me show you guys the finished product on the other side. We'll actually take it outside and show everything. So we're actually doing a pinstripe as well, so to outline it. And we stopped it back in there. That's what the customer wanted. The Don't Tread on Me is all finished up. Did the black pinstripe right here. This is just a test for outlining a body line. But this is the finished product. There's not that great of lighting in here, but this is basically how it's going to look. So that black trim goes back on there. You can see it's all outlined with the black pinstripe all the way inside the door and everything. Did the inlay. So you can't see any white. That's what the goal was. You don't want that pinch line to show anything. So I think it came out really, really nice. So just moving along, and then I'm actually going to be outlining the cowl. There's a small cowl raise in the hood. We'll be outlining that with the pinstriping line. So we're going to keep moving forward, and then we'll keep shooting a couple more videos of us wrapping everything so you can just see what's going on right now, just tucking and releasing everything and getting ready to trim. So we're going to keep moving forward. We got one more door and then the quarter panel for the dually, and then we'll stripe it, cut it all out, trim it, do the inlays, and it'll be pretty much finished. Okay, everyone, here are the final results on the 2017 Ram 3500. So we did the two-tone color change, followed up with a gloss black pinstriping line, tucked everything all the way down to the pinch line. See, everything's tucked in behind here. We did an inlay in the door. So all four doors are all inlaid. And it's all black, gloss black pinstriping. Put all the body molding back on, the steps back on. And that's the final results. The sun kind of takes away from that nice color. It was real brutal sun, but everything came out really, really beautiful. We're really happy with all the results. We're gonna come back and do the car hauler trailer, and then we'll ceramic coat all the wrap so it stays protected. And we also reinstalled all the Dodge emblems back on the tailgate. So everything was put back in the factory OEM position. And then we'll get everything protected, like I said. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this content. If you did, hit that like button, follow us on our YouTube channel, and we will be back with the car hauler trailer and tons more videos to share with you guys. So with that, thank you guys for tuning in, and have a blessed day.